In this video, I will show you how to control your Panasonic TV without the remote control. And it doesn't matter the type or model of Panasonic TV you have, whether you have the Panasonic Google TV, Panasonic Android TV, or even the older model of Panasonic TV just like this one. By the end of this video, you should be able to fully control and navigate your Panasonic TV without the physical remote control. Now, there are basically two ways you can control or navigate through your Panasonic TV without the remote control. And for the first method, you just have to go ahead and look for the power or menu buttons on your Panasonic TV. Now, this power or menu button can be found just below the Panasonic TV logo at the bottom of your Panasonic TV, or depending on the model or type of Panasonic TV you have, you might actually find it at the back of the right hand side or at the back of the left hand side of your Panasonic TV. Now, in my case over here, I actually have some buttons at the right hand side of my Panasonic TV, but in your case, you might just have one button that serves as both the power button and the menu button on your Panasonic TV. Whichever one you have, just go ahead and locate the button either at the bottom or at the back of the right hand side or at the back of the left hand side of your Panasonic TV. Now, once you locate the power or menu button on your Panasonic TV, you're good to go. And if the buttons are actually labeled just as they are labeled over here on my own Panasonic TV, then it is even way easier for you to do certain things on the TV. So you can actually change input source if you want. You can as well just go ahead and increase the volume on your Panasonic TV. You can change channel. As you can see over here, you can increase the volume as well by just pressing on the volume up button. And as you can see, the volume of my Panasonic TV is increasing. You can as well just go ahead and change the input source to whatever input source you want. But if you have just one button that serves as the power and menu button on your Panasonic TV, it is usually different. What you just want to do is to just tap on the button and you're going to see all of the menu on your Panasonic TV. Usually, to navigate, you just want to continuously tap on the buttons to navigate through all of the menus, and then to just select any of the options from the menu, you want to go ahead and long press on that same button on your Panasonic TV. Now, this is actually one way you can still perform certain tasks on your Panasonic TV without the physical remote control, but it is actually limited because we can't do a whole lot of things like opening apps and navigating through the settings of the TV because we do not have the physical remote control to do that. And this brings us to the second method to still be able to control your Panasonic TV without the physical remote control. For this, you actually need your phone. And what you want to do first and foremost is to make sure that both your phone and your Panasonic TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, you might be asking how you can connect your Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. This is actually simple. If you have connected your Panasonic TV to any Wi-Fi or hotspot network before, by simply turning on the TV, it automatically just searches for Wi-Fi and reconnects to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So if you have connected your TV to your home Wi-Fi or your hotspot before, it should be able to automatically connect to it without you doing anything. What you just want to do is to make sure that both your phone is connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network that the TV is probably connected to. And at this point, what you want to do next is to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, and then on the bottom search bar over here, you want to go ahead and search for Panasonic TV Remote. Next, you want to go ahead and download and install this Panasonic TV Remote Control app into your phone. If you're using the Panasonic Google or the Panasonic Android TV, a better option would be for you to actually download the Google Home app. This is specifically because the Google Home app actually works better when you're connecting to an Android or a Google TV. So if you're using the Panasonic Android or Panasonic Google TV, make sure you download and install the Google Home app, which is basically this app over here. But if you're using the older models of Panasonic TV, just go ahead and make sure you download the Panasonic TV Remote Control. Once the app is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. You might also have to set up the app if you're using it for the first time. And if you're using the older models of Panasonic TV, what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the specific remote control that your Panasonic TV actually uses. Over here, there are up to 20 Panasonic TV remote control. So just go ahead and look for the one that your Panasonic TV actually uses. In my case, it is the first one over here, so I'll go ahead and select it, and you can literally see the remote control. To connect your phone and your Panasonic TV, you want to click on the TV icon over here, and then just go ahead and select this, then select Panasonic from over here, And from now, you should now be able to control your Panasonic TV using this remote control over here. But keep in mind that this particular app is not the official app from Panasonic, so it may not actually work for all older models of Panasonic TV. So just go ahead and try it out. If it works out for you, then you're good to go. But if it doesn't work out for you, then you might just go over to the Google Play Store or App Store, then go ahead and try any Panasonic TV app you can actually find and see whether it will work out for you. For those using the Panasonic Android or the Panasonic Google TV, you do not have any problem because the Google Home app actually works all of the time. All you just have to do is to make sure that both your phone and your Panasonic TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Click on the devices tab over here and you should be able to find the name of your Panasonic TV as one of the devices over here. Once you select it, you're going to get the remote option over here and you can now be able to control your Panasonic TV using the remote control that this particular app offers you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.